Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an Azure subscription and contributor access so you can create resources. Once confirmed, make an application insights resource and pick the closest region. This reduces latency and data transfer. Now instrument your app. Install the appropriate SDK or enable the Azure Monitor agent. Pick the one that matches your platform. Make sure to capture the instrumentation key or connection string. These actions let you collect telemetry right away and lay the foundation for deeper analysis. Next, instrument and configure telemetry precisely. Add the SDK to your app startup and set the connection string. This ensures data flows to the correct resource. Then define custom events, traces, and metrics. Label them consistently so queries remain clear. Configure exception sampling to control costs and attach role name and cloud role instance so you can filter by service. Once done, enable live metrics and snapshot debugger for immediate insights. These steps give structured, queryable telemetry for root cause analysis and performance. Finally, analyze and operationalize the data you collect. Use logs with KQL to write targeted queries and application map to visualize service interactions. Create alerts on latency or error thresholds and on custom log queries so you get actionable notifications. Make dashboards and pin key charts. If things go wrong, check ingestion delays, missing SDK configuration, or incorrect connection strings. A common fix is verifying the connection string and time ranges. Export or archive telemetry as needed to control costs and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.